Let's take a look at the Galaxy S21 and S21.Plus. The first thing you'll notice is the incredible AMOLED display. Both the S21 and S21.Plus have displays that are flat with minimal bezels, vivid colors, and super smooth refresh rate. Now let's take a look at the back of the phone. You'll immediately notice a new camera design. It houses a triple camera system that is versatile for your everyday photo and video needs. Here on the S21.Plus in Phantom Violet, the camera housing blends into the side frame. The S21 is, of course, smaller than the S21.Plus, but both give you a large display experience in a compact form factor. And they have a haze finish, which means less fingerprints. Here's the whole new range of exciting colors on the S21 and the S21.Plus. These are great smartphones for your everyday, and more. This was a first up-close look at the Galaxy S21 and S21.Plus.